Hello everybody, welcome back to Gradual Financial Freedom. My name is James and this is going to be the 9th episode in our stock sector breakdown. This is going to be the communications sector. Now if you're just now coming in, I do want to say that I will be putting a link down below that will take you to the last video in our stock sector breakdown. Then I will be putting an iCard here that will lead you to the entire playlist. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to our sector breakdown. Here we have our list. The defensive is healthcare, utility, and consumer staples, while the cyclical is technology, financial, consumer discretionary, basic materials, real estate, communications, industrial, and energy. So what is the communication sector? Well, they're businesses that distribute information, such as wireless providers, telecommunication companies, and satellite companies. Now this tends to be the most controversial out of all the sectors because everybody has their favorites. Everybody says, this is what I want to be, this is what I want. I picked the ones that have a chance at a better growth, have a higher dividend yield, and just seem not to be as overvalued as other ones on this sector. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into my list. First we have Mobile Telesystems Public Joint Stock Company, ticker MBT, currently trading at $10.15. Yahoo Finance says that it is listed as overvalued, but their short-term, mid-term, and long-term appear to be up. Now MBT does have a fluctuating dividend. Currently it is at 34 cents. The average overall is 33.5 cents, so about 34 cents also. They pay twice per year and their normal times are usually August and November, but they also have one in January. TipRanks currently only has one analyst watching them. They are saying that it could go up to possibly $12 by this time next year. Now, unfortunately, because of the fact that there's no one else watching it, we don't know exactly how it's going to go, but we'll have to keep an eye on this one. Next, we have Shaw Communications, SJR. Yahoo Finance says also this one is overvalued, as are a lot of stocks right now. Their short-term appears to be up, mid-term and long-term possibly down. Currently trading at $20.29. SJR is currently paying 0.074 cents per share, and they are a monthly pay. TipRanks has 4 analysts watching this, and they believe that it can go anywhere between $22.29 all the way up to $25.37, with the average around $24.02. With it currently trading at $20.29, that means by this time next year, every single analyst is thinking at least it's going to go up. Next we have AT&T, ticker T, currently trading at $39.08. Yahoo Finance says they are near fair value, and the short term is up, mid-term down, long-term up. Now AT&T just raised their dividend from 51 cents now to 52 cents. They pay the second month of each quarter, that is February, May, August, and November. TipRanks has a wide margin for AT&T. They say it can go anywhere between $30 low, $47 high, with an average around $40.22. It means it can either go down or up depending on how the market trends. Next on the list is another controversial one. We have CenturyLink, ticker CTL. Current list is overvalued. Short term down, mid term up, long term up. CenturyLink pays a 25-cent dividend. They pay the third month of each quarter, that's March, June, September, December. Now I currently put this in because of the fact that there has been a lot of change that's going on with CenturyLink right now. There is a chance that this could come out and actually rebound, or something else may happen, who knows, but I do want to put this on the watch list just because of the fact that it is something that could possibly have a turnaround. TipRanks currently has 8 analysts watching this, and they think that it can go down to about $10 or up to about $16, with the average about $13.57. With the trading at $13.21, the average is still above. 16 is a little bit higher, but 10 is something to watch out and be careful on. With that, this is my list of the stocks that I have picked for the communication sector. We have MBT, SJR, T, and CTL. Now, as I've done the last few videos, I have put down a list that if you have bought every single one, $100 worth of each stock that I picked for each sector, this is how your dividends would be looking at right now.
you would currently have $3,600 invested.
Your dividend total for the year would be $254.74, with your yield now down to 7.08%. Now this is how your stocks would be doing if you had bought it exactly when the video came out. You can see that the defensive stocks are all in the up, while the cyclical stocks are all over the place. Some are up, some are down. Total gain on average would be $29.46. But here's the better outlook. Not everyone can put $100 in every single time. So overall, your percentage gain would be 34.31%, depending on which ones you picked. Now I can already hear exactly what's going to happen. Well, James, why didn't you pick Verizon? Why didn't you pick Disney? They're both going to be doing great because of the fact of 5G coming out, and Disney now has their own streaming service. Well, I didn't pick them because of the fact that A, they're listed over value, B, I want to be able to get stocks where I can get multiple per $100, and C, their dividend yield isn't, or their dividend payout isn't as great as the others. And by that, here we go. Verizon, according to TipRanks, says it can go anywhere between $55 and $69 on there. Their average dividend yield per $100 is only $2.46. Meanwhile, say CenturyLink, the average per $100 is $7. Disney, on the other hand, has TipRank looking at them between $130 to $175. It is an increase, but with me only being able to put down $100 and I can only buy 0.7 shares. Unfortunately, that means until Robinhood does put in fractional shares, I can't buy it right now. But even at that, it's only $1.23 for that 0.7, or $1.76 for a full share. Again, meanwhile, I can buy more shares with other stocks and have a bigger dividend payout. You only get the growth increase if you sell the share. Now we come to that same part as always. I do want to state this: I am not a financial advisor. Please take everything you see here as a teaching moment. Look at all of the stuff that I have put on, do your own research, realize what you want to do, and then go with that. Now that being said, here's the entire list of all the stocks that I've found so far in the communication sector. Please go ahead and just look over it and decide on things that you want to do. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up icon, hit that subscribe button, share it with people, let people know what's going on this. If you're thinking about getting into investing, please do me a favor, hit that link down below for Robinhood. You'll get a free stock, I'll get a free stock, and it'll just help us both grow. It is free money. You don't even have to put money in as a deposit to get that free stock. You can just start right today. Other than that, thank you for watching, and I do wish you the best of luck on your path to gradual financial freedom.